Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can add a custom ringtone to your Android. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So, first of all, you will need to open your phone settings. To do this, you need to go to the settings on your work screen, like I have, or the easiest option, which all Android has. Swipe down on the right-hand side and you'll find a gear. You can click on that, and it'll take you straight to settings. So, here you have to scroll a little bit to find the ringtones and vibration on your Android. You press it. Next, you can, for example, customize the volume of your call, your ringtone. Next, in some Android, if you tap on the word ringtones, it will automatically take you to the ringtone settings, and you can choose a ringtone. On some Android, like mine, you have to scroll down a little bit first to find the ringtone settings. If you have multiple SIM cards on your phone, then you select which SIM card you want to change the ringtone for. After that, you will come to this menu. It is available on every Android phone with factory default ringtones already installed. You can choose the one you like. Or you can add another melody. To do this, you will need to press either Add Ringtone or the plus sign. It's usually somewhere at the top, or it's also at the bottom, like Add Ringtone. You click on it, and then you're taken to your phone files. And here you can either go straight to the menu of different songs and custom ringtones that you've already downloaded to your phone. Or you will need to press on 3 bars in order to select, for example, the folder from which you want to find a melody. Next, you select some song. Then you can either have it set immediately, or this song like mine will be added to the list of ringtones. You click on it, and automatically this song is already selected as your ringtone. This is how you can change or add custom ringtones to your Android, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please write your comments, don't forget to put your likes, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.